Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're going to create a shareable preview link now. First, open Ads Manager or Business Suite and locate the exact ad. Once selected, confirm it's in a state that supports previews. Drafts and active ads behave differently. Next, click the three-dot menu or preview button on the ad row to reveal preview options. Make sure the ad creative and destination URL are final before continuing, because the preview reflects live assets and settings immediately. Now generate the actual link. Choose the preview type, Facebook feed, mobile, or Messenger, so the preview matches the viewer experience. Once you pick a preview, click the Share or Get Shareable link control and copy the generated URL. If Meta offers toggles for device or view as settings, set them first so the link reflects the correct placement, because the link mirrors the selected view. This step ensures reviewers see exactly what you intend them to evaluate. Finish by sending the copied link with a short note. Mention device, placement, and any login requirements so reviewers know what to expect. If someone reports an error, first confirm their account role and that the ads preview is enabled. Sometimes previews are restricted to certain business manager roles. Once done, make sure to provide a screenshot or export the creative as a fallback if preview links are blocked, and follow up to verify they saw the correct creative.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.